Angela and welcome to my channel. Today I am with RIGEL Thomas.
RIGEL guys, RIGEL Thomas on YouTube. Links down below. Links down below ba? Ako na ginagingon ba?
Iunhan ko. Today I'm going to be doing his makeup
From dad bod to diva.
Body.
From daddy.
Dad bod to body. Ang gagawin ko today, bigyan ko siya ng makeover. While doing that, mag-a-answer kami ng mga questions na galing sa Google. Like,
yay!
50 questions you've never been asked. Pipili lang ako ng mga questions. Are you ready?
Yep, I'm ready.
So, ang look na gagawin ko kay RIGEL ay Instagram body inspired. RIGEL, let me know kung ano yung parang thoughts mo about girls who wears makeup.
Okay, actually, as akong girlfriend, allergic siya og like mga makeup. Mag-makeup siya, I don't really care, pero kasabaan gid na ko siya if like mag-makeup siya and then nay mahitabo siyang face like allergy or yun. So, pero when it comes to makeup sa girls, naragin na sa inyo agad. Wala ko care if you feel good about yourself nga mag-makeup mo, then you should put makeup. Pero if like di mo ganahan, matapulan mo, I just want to let you guys know everyone is pretty na dapat feel ninyo nga gwapa. Gyud mo kay gwapa man gyud mo tanan guys. Wala gi mo ang Lord nga pangit except for me and my friend. Dude, I'm kidding, man.
I'm going to start off with the primer. Si Matt na friend ni RIGEL. Siya yung sa tawag na?
Siya
magbibigay
state ng question.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah. Siya magpipili ng question. Dili na rin mo yan. Diba hinanap yan?
Okay, so ganahan siya nga maganaan.
Hindi, ako na lang mag-inanap eh. Ako na mag-focus gana.
Okay.
So, ano to?
Primer.
So, this is the primer, guys.
Bali!
Bali, dude!
Alright, guys. So, this is the primer.
Ay, siya mo po. Ay, nako.
Products. Links down below. Alright, guys. So, first is the primer. Tignan nyo yan. NYX from NYX Portular.
So, start na yung first question.
So, ang first question is...
Alo, nahulog.
First question. What female celebrity do you wish was your sister?
Oh, female celebrity?
Yes,
yeah, I have a
sister.
Oh.
I-replace ni mo si Ella, dude? Oo, dude.
Humpulihan. No, I love my sister, of course. Pero, if na chance nga na ko celebrity nga sister, ano ba local or international?
Local or international?
Gusto na ko sister na ko si Kuan. Si Gal Gadot.
Nga naman.
Ano naman kay para na mag-sumbag sa mga mag-bully na ako. Bali na kaya ako man ang bully. So this is foundation from MAC. I think MAC is expensive.
Continue, guy, Beshi.
Ano si Gal Gadot?
Yes, sir.
Yup, kay para maprotektahan ko sa mga bully, you know. Okay, dagan kayo bully sa earth. Pero kakababae na gagabay kaka-feel na ako ba nga babae ko ba?
Character kayo siya.
Alright, pasag din na ako guys sorry kayo.
Okay, then.
Pura raga pog barbero bito. Ilihok-lihok ang ulo ko.
Me. Kasi may kanang ganahan dyan ako nga. Siguro si Selena Gomez. Mukhaon mo siya dukuhan. Diba, kakita ka sa ilang.
Mukhaon og what? What? Mukhaon maglaan.
Okay, weird kayo yung katong fetish nga music video. So, I like her. That was weird.
How old do you think you'll be when you get married?
Kani siya.
Si RIGEL,
Hapit
na.
Be, I can sing like sa mga 30s ba. So yeah, I think I'll get married sa mga 30s.
How old are you now?
19. Oh, like mga, I don't know, 10, 11 years from
Dugay
now.
naman sila silang kuya.
Yeah, guys.
So, pwede na, pero
after this makeup sesh, kay I'll be single. Because I'll be a girl. Next, guys, is this concealer from NYX. I'm kind of feeling my character, ba?
If you've watched my, when guys do my voiceover, si RIGEL itong niingon o kilay first before biga nga daghang kaayog na ganahan ato nga line. Ay, ako unsa ganito question?
How old?
How old? Since 20 man ko, I am 20 years old. Pero
okay, I forgot
wala ko.
So mag-ate.
Yes, manghod. Wala ko'y bayo and ganahan ko nga inig 23 or 25 kumu balik og uyab. Base,
Sure, mo balik. Mura nag-eskwela ba? Mo balik.
maybe 30, inig 30 na lang nako. Ma, 30 na lang.
Tawag din sa mama. Shout out, mommy.
Favorite TV show as a kid?
Sa una, addicted kay kong tanaw TV. So like, I think Pinoy Big Brother by...
Ala, same!
I swear, bilaran na ko na siya itong grade school pa ko.
Crazy.
Magulat din ko.
Low-key nga.
Oo.
PBB fan po ko.
Sa una man to, hinoon to. Pero like, imagine na bata, bilar. Muti nga nang nasungan ng putot kay ko.
Unsa nga ko mong favorite nga season?
Katong silang Melay.
Nalay?
Oh.
Okay na ka na, dude.
Yeah, I know, dude. Crazy, man. Nakaroon si Melay, kaya na sa mga advertisements. So, this
Powder.
is baking, you know.
We're going to
I don't know
bake.
what that means, pero they're going to bake my face. So, I think ilaning butngag kalayo.
Harry Potter or Twilight?
Harry
Hindi ko
Potter.
ma-watch both.
Harry Potter. Huh?
Potter.
No, pick one only.
One only.
Harry Potter.
Why?
Yeah.
Yeah. Why Harry Potter, dude?
Because I like Spectrum Patrol.
Second one.
No, I just like, actually, I don't watch
No.
Twilight. Dili gid go like tigtanaw ana kana sa kana duwa specifically, pero murag when I started watching Harry Potter mas na hook ko. So yeah, I don't know why, pero I think sa influence po sa akong girlfriend. So yeah, murag yeah, Harry Potter over Twilight. Okay guys, so for the eyebrows, mo ni sila ang product. Okay, benefit.
What would your parents have named you if you were the opposite gender?
Oh!
Mine, pero kiba ka sa akong ang full name. Ikaw.
No. Angela D. Morales, ba?
Mark Angela D. Morales.
Oh.
Mark!
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 Pero ang Mark, si.
Oh,
Kaya akong papa, Marcos niya. Tuo siguro siya lucky ko. So feel na ko if lucky, kay nasa Mark Angelo.
Oh, okay, that's why.
Ikaw.
I don't know goodbye. Hey, like sa among family, we have this like forgot the word yun, pero like, di ba, Rigel, and then the second is Ella, and then the next is Yael. So you have this trend of like na L bitaw. Awat lang ka, dili ko sure. If dako ko nga tao, maybe they'll call me elephant.
If you have a nickname, what is it?
Do I have a
Yeah,
nickname?
dude. Say mong nickname.
Oh yeah, of course I have a nickname. So
Ano sa mong nickname? What's it?
So my friends call me Ridge or Rige, pero ang tinuod yun ako nga nickname, okay? Gamay na kayo muna kabuluan pero I think the whole world will know na ba. It's Duduy.
Duduy?
Yeah, it's Duduy.
Duduy. Say mo og ka ng nickname ni Julia Barreto.
Oh, Duduy! What's up? Hi girl! Hi Duduy! Ikaw, Ange. Mark!
Mark. Ikaw, Mark.
Mark!
Ikaw, Mark.
Mark! What's up, Mark?
Tawagon ko nila insik.
Sick.
Sick.
Sick, man.
Sick or
Sick,
Jilok.
that's so sick, man. Pero anong ginatawag ka ni Jomi o Jelia?
Angelia kay because
Why? As mo naging ka ng Lia?
si Kiddy nagunaon na ana. Amot lang, di ko na siya ganahag Angela. Kay boring ko no. So mao to
Mainstream
yagi ko
lugar
ang
na.
Angelia.
Oh, cheap ba
Princess of Chemes. Princess of Romanova.
Favorite person in the world?
My
Young
brother, Yael. My brother, Yael. Favorite person in the world.
Ako kay akong mom.
Oh. Mommy! 30 years old pa siya mag-play.
How old were you when you found out that Santa wasn't real? Apila na lang po ang Tooth Fairy.
Tooth Fairy.
Oh, kana sila.
Kana sila tanan.
Murag, I think before ko mag-grade 4. I think sa akong part, murag, I feel like irrelevant. Didn't
My
really
whole
matter.
life.
Pero since nag-topic man taan I have experience ba kay nagtupod kog Tooth Fairy. Ang naka-funny ato kay like katong pagkabalo na ako nga dili to siya tinuod bitaw and parents put the money. Grade 3 I think naibtan kog ngipon nangayo lang ko dito sa akong parents. Like literal ba pagkatanggal of course masakit pa nana. Akong gipaoga gilimpyuhan. Ano ko ma? Akong ngipon, money. 50 pesos.
Oh, what was your dream last night?
Boring man. Murag kuan lang to. Murag like nagtarong lang kog eskwela. Yeah.
Ano ka na doon eh?
It's pretty scary, man.
What would you name your son if you had one? Son,
Oh.
son and daughter. Sige.
Son.
First boy, I already have a name. So I got this name from My favorite cars, Evo from the Mitsubishi Lancer bitaw. Okay, I'm a big fan of Paul Walker, RIP bro.
Akong name unta, ingon akong tita. Akong name unta, dili unta ko na Mark, Angela, Natasha, Bridget. Charot.
Oh.
So, kana na lang siguro ako i-name sa akong baby girl.
Sa boy.
Baby girl short dudu.
What?
What was the last compliment you received?
Fun ba it? Does this count ba kanang someone, you know, I watch your videos, you do really good videos, no?
Kinsa from
Like sa Cagayan to siya actually.
ako kay yesterday sa General Assembly sa Adobers, si Miss Rai, I love you Miss Rai. Lagi niya sinasabi na, ang payat mo. I love it! And also si Miss Say Choco! Sabi niya, girl, I like your kilay, bongga. Kinilig ako.
Guys, for the eyeshadow, we have, this is big naman po, sorry. Delete the hat. For the eyeshadow, I don't know what brand this is.
Too Faced.
Too Faced.
How many pairs of shoes do you currently own?
Oh. No man, sa karon as of now, I only have 3 pairs of shoes. So, including school shoes, no, of course. So, okay, let's just say 5. I have 5. Pero, duha ra gid akong ginagamit always. It's my Vans and from Gearbo.
Dili siya ko shoes. More on...
Including sandals na lang.
Sige. 5. So, usara akong premium.
Oh, nagito'y suki, no? Suki nga shoes, no?
What would be the coolest animal to scale up to the size of a horse? So like, i-scale up mo. So example, a smaller animal or a bigger animal, then make it the size of a horse.
Gusto gid ko nga like magdugan kog jogging sa akong dog. Kaya maglakag mi sa akong cheetah nga pet. Actually, pwede po elephant ba? Bro, giraffe! Ang neck murag sa tripod bitaw ako.
Yan, daw kay...
Weirdest thing you've ever seen in someone else's home?
dagan mo huwag na sudlan nga balay. Kawatan mo, diba?
Low-key kawatan.
No, so, like, barkada, you know, mga kaila. Pero dili ko like observant sa ilang house inside.
Ako sad.
Eyelashes do.
Kinali?
Time for winged eyeliner.
So, time for eyeliner from Shawil. Di ba mo manang kuan?
Kya wheel.
Nickname ni Sharon kang Shawi. Mark, come on, Mark!
Weird questions. How many chickens do you think it would take to kill an elephant, dude?
What?
How many chickens do you think it would take to kill an elephant?
Sige na, give me the size of the chicken.
Oh, dude, regular size chickens, dude. Like, as big as a Chihuahua.
What? Chihuahua, gamaya na, dude.
Dude, those are chickens! And how many do you think it would take?
Dude, I think mas daghan tambok, dude, kisa sa... Di ba kalihok ang tambok? I don't know, maybe 1,000, 2,000, 5,000.
Diba, you invite a lot of people at your house, dude, right?
Yep.
So what is the weirdest thing one of your guests did in your house? Like, grabe ka, weird.
I have a basketball team.
Okay.
That was like in high school. And we had a celebration at our house. And what happened is that like most of them had a sleepover. Pero wala akong parents ato, they went out after the party. I feel like after party sila ato with other parents. Since piot kayo ang house, kay tungod sa kadaghan nila like 12. Like 9 na tulog sa akong kwarto, o sa kwarto sa akong mama. Swear, duha ra man hinoon sila pero kinsa mo balls okay lang tingali matulog sa imong friend nga, di ba, nga bed. Pero like ato sila kay diretso lang to sila. I'm not naming them pero
that's freaking weird, dude.
That's hella funny ba. I don't know, nagkatawa lang ko actually.
Which body part do you wish you could detach and why?
Pwede fats? Or tiyan?
Same,
by...
same.
Tiyan by tiyan.
Tiyan.
Yeah, dude, tiyan. Maka-relate ni... Mark!
Relate minute.
Mark. How do you feel about putting pineapple on pizza?
Oh... Actually, I'll go with anything. If may pineapple sa pizza, then yeah. Wala.
Pineapple pizza is my favorite.
Really?
My favorite.
No, I don't
It's
like.
weird.
Yeah.
I mean, I can eat anything, pero you can taste the pineapple. It's weird.
This is from
So guys, contour from Hula.
Benefit.
Ay, benefit eh. So, sa maning Hula.
More na ang name niya
Okay.
nga.
Okay, what mythical creature would would improve the world most if it existed?
Unicorn!
Unicorn!
Sentence, dude. How would you sum up the internet?
Kipitip papa! Kato siya, guys! Kana!
Yeah!
Last na
to finish the look.
So, this is the last, guys. NYX lingerie from NYX. Suki lagi ni mong NYX.
Pinais mo sila. We're not sponsored.
Guys, you need to sponsor,
If
you
you're
know,
watching,
for
keep
my next
watching.
makeup session. Come on.
What's the most ridiculous fact you know, dude?
Fact?
Yes, ridiculous. Like, wala siya pulos or it's true but it's so weird.
Mom's not hot. Sorry, Ann.
Nakayawapit ako. Ang mga questions, babagay kayo for RIGEL. Kaya lang kasi ng mga naibawaan ng kanang
Mga kagaguhan.
kagaguhan, pagago! Charot.
Pagago. Power.
Gangster?
So ayan, that is the final look. This is Diva RIGEL who.
Sorry. Taylor
Uh,
can't come to the phone right now. Why?
Because it's Diva.
Because he dead, man.
He
Rigel
dead.
dead.
But that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching.
Thank you for watching, guys.
Really happy na andito and nakipag-collab si RIGEL sa
Yay!
atin.
Usahay ra gid ko dali.
Yes, usahay ra
Actually,
siya.
first time pa rin ako dali. I know, not Cebu.
How's Cebu?
It's good. Traffic lang kaya. And gadali na lagi kay gabaha, guys. Ako na masuyop sa inyong bahabi.
Again, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to RIGEL.
Please, Rigel Thomas, links down below.
Links down below, imong social media.
It's Rigel. You can find me anywhere. That's R, tulo ka A, then Y, then G, then E, tulo ka E, okay, then L.
Ayan, go follow him. If Bisaya ka, what are you doing? Subscribe to him. Follow me on my social medias, everything at angeladymorales. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on my next video. And always remember that it's okay not to be perfect. Bye!
Like and
subscribe.